Hello viewers. In this session, we are going to discuss about the BCom Computer Application subject first semester subject Fundamentals of Information Technology. Before going to start the content, I would like to convey you. Please subscribe my channel and press on bell button and give likes. It will make me a lot of stimulation to make further videos. So friends, now come to the BCom first semester core subjects. So we are having the fundamentals of accounting, BOM, and fundamentals of information technology. Under this subject, now we are going to discuss about the fundamentals of information and technology. So this subject scores 100 marks. Under 100 marks, 50 marks per theory, and this paper is having the duration of 2 hours exam and 25 marks for practicals and 15 marks for internal exams. Okay, friends. Fundamentals of information technology subjects consist of 5 units. Unit number one, introduction of computers. Second unit, computer arithmetic and storage fundamentals. Third unit, software. Fourth unit, operating system. And fifth unit is data communication. So, friends, now come to the syllabus. First unit is introduction to computers. Under this, now I'm going to discuss about the what is computer. So, a computer is a general purpose electronic device that is used to perform arithmetic and logical operations automatically. The computer can be abbreviated C commonly, O operating, M mission, P particular, U used for, T technical, E education, R research. So in whole, computer is a commonly operating machine which is a particular used for technical education and research. So computer is not an acronym. It is a word derived from a word compute, which means to calculate. So in simple words, you can say that computer is an electronic device which is used for fast calculations. The term computer is derived from the Latin term computere. This means to calculate or programmable machine. Charles Babbage is called the grandfather of computer. The first machine computer designed by Charles Babbage was called analytical engine. The literal meaning of computer is a device that can calculate. It means a computer is an electronic device which takes input and process the data and produce outputs. It performs arithmetical and logical functions. So the computer is used for fast calculations and to process the data. That's why the computer is also called as a data machine. Now, friends, come to the features of computers or characteristics of computer. So the features of computer can be broadly we are going to discuss under 9 heads that are speed, reliability, accuracy, diligence, memory, logical, versatility, automation. So now let us discuss the features of computer one by one. First feature is speed. As you know, computer can work very fast. You will be surprised to know that computer can perform millions of instructions and even more per second. So the speed of the computer is measured in terms of MIPS, which means million instructions per second. Therefore, we determine the speed of computer is in terms of microsecond, which means million part of second, nanosecond, billion part of a second, picosecond, trillion part of a second. Next one is accuracy feature. The degree of accuracy of computer is very high and even every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. The errors which are showing in computers are due to humans and inaccurate data only. The computer never do mistakes because the computer is working on the principle of GIGO system. Here GIGO means garbage in and garbage out. If we give a wrong data and wrong instructions, so then computer can show bad results. If we give accurate and correct data, correct instructions, it will produce a accurate results and reliable results. And the third feature of computer is a computer is free from tiredness, lack of concentration, fatigue, etc. It can work for hours without creating any errors. If millions of calculations are to be performed, a computer will perform every calculation with the same accuracy. Due to this capability, it overpowers human beings in routine type of work. So the computer never shows any tiredness or any lack of concentration or any fatigue, etc. But in case of human beings, after doing some work, they may be feel tiredness and lack of concentration and fatigue, etc. But the computer having the feature of diligence. And the fourth feature of computer is the versatility feature. Versatility means the capacity to perform completely different types of works. You may use your computer to prepare payroll slips. Next moment, you may use it for inventory management or to prepare electric bills, etc. etc. So, the computer is also having the features of multiple tasking at a time. So, you can write a document at the same time. You can listen the music. You can have the handouts or printouts from the computer systems. So, like the computer may perform different types of tasks at the same time with accuracy and reliable manner. And the fifth feature of computer is storage or power of remembering. Computer has the power of storing any amount of information or data. Any information can be stored and recalled as long as you require it for any number of years. So the storage capacity of the computer can be measured in terms of bits and bytes. So here bits means 8 letters. So the combination of 8 letters is known as a bit. So 4 bits equals to one nibble, and two nibbles are equals to 1 byte. So 8 bits are equals to 1 byte. So the speed of the computer is measured in terms of bits and bytes and kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, exabytes, and yonobytes, etc. etc. And the next feature of computer is no IQ. Computer is a dumb machine and it can do any work without instruction from the user. It cannot do any work without instructions from the user. So by based on the instructions given by the user, the computer can work. It performs the instructions of at a tremendous speed and with accuracy. It is you to decide what you want to do and what to in what sequence. So a computer cannot take its own decision as you can. But nowadays the computer are using artificial intelligence. Nowadays some computers are doing its own decisions. Next feature is no feeling. The computer does not have any feeling or emotion, taste, knowledge, and experiences. Thus, it does not get tired even after long hours of work. It does not distinguish between the users. So, the computer never shows any discriminations and never shows its own bias. The computers are working by based on the user instructions and where the data which is given that data and as per the instructions it will perform the its operation. Next, consistency is another feature of the computer. Here, consistency refers to the ability of a computer to work in a reliable and predictable manner. Consistency allows the computer to perform at the same level of performance regardless of the workload or usage conditions. And last feature of computer is automation. The world is quickly moving towards artificial intelligence based technology. A computer may conduct tasks automatically after instructions are programmed. Automation is in computing is often achieved using a program, a script, or a batch processing system. So thank you, friends.